Good evening, guys and girls. Anthony from the Braintree Group. I hope you're all well. Just doing a video today. I had an engineer speak to one of my estimators today, or I think he left an interim mail or something, or spoke to Nick, maybe my brother. And I was just saying about the smokes and mirrors in this industry. Like, it's ridiculous. So he asked us about a wheel alignment and stuff, and a couple of bits in our Zone 99. And he was like, said to my brother, "Do you outsource these bits?" He went, "No, we do everything in house." He said, "Right, well, I'm not paying for that then, and I'm not paying that much, or I'm not paying that much." And I just thought to myself, like, it's ridiculous. Like, we spend thousands and thousands and thousands on equipment just to keep up with the technology to repair cars. It's a joke, to be fair. I just bought another piece of equipment, and we're just buying. I'm looking into a new jig, and yeah, they're just technology and equipment. We could buy loads every month and still not have everything that we need on every vehicle. So, but the smokes and mirrors is ridiculous, right? I speak to body shops every day. Body shops like go. What it does is it breeds body shops trying to then get round that situation. So then you've got people who go, "Oh, I've got a mechanical shop in my missus's name, and we bill it to us, and then we put 10% on. We over-egg the price because it's an outsourced job." Like, sublet invoice. What engineers say all the time, and it's fucking ridiculous, is sublet invoice. They'll pay without questioning it, but they question if I'm doing it myself and I've invested in everything myself. So smoke and mirrors, guys, like non-fault. Someone's talking to me the other day and said about they got £90 an hour. Some non-fault companies told them that they can charge £90 an hour. Like, what are we doing to this industry, guys? Like, you need to realise that everyone's always gets round the other bit, if you get what I mean. So, like, you've got loads of people go, "Oh, I've got to deal with the ADAS guy. He does me an invoice for 450 quid, then credits me 200, and then I've made 200 quid, and then I put my 10% on." Everyone knows it fucking happens. So just don't do it. Engineers, just pay a decent amount for the stuff that we have to do to repair cars. Because every body shop gets round it. Like, it's ridiculous. Like I say to body shops all the time, don't do smokes and mirrors. Smokes and mirrors? Smoke and mirrors. Just charge a decent amount for what you're doing. Like, honestly, I don't get it. And then people with the ADAS as well. "Oh, it's including a wheel alignment." No, it's not. Have you seen my post about the fucking key we had to do? I had to empty my whole workshop out just to put a mat down, just to level up and calibrate the radar. Do you see my wheel alignment attached to it? No. It's a different thing completely. So stop saying it's the same thing. Educate, right? Yes, you have to do a wheel alignment to carry out an ADAS. Different machinery, different procedure, different time. So stop telling me it's part of the same. It's like saying, "Oh, I'm not going to pay for your panel work because you've got to paint it anyway." Honestly, it's bullshit. And body shops, stop charging stupid amounts for non-fault. Stop seeing non-fault as your golden egg. Like, trust me, fault and non-fault is no different. So start charging the right amount for both. So, yeah, all I'm saying is, every time you think that you're cutting a body shop down, they'll think of another way of making their money back. Right, you get the old wink, wink, we make that work. We make that contract work, wink, wink. Mate, all of you are adding to the costs. And that is the issue. I think if people actually sat down at a table with me and understood how we can make this industry better. So, yeah, I think smoke and mirrors needs to go. Stop getting a sublet invoice around the road, because all they're doing, guys, is doing a deal with that guy and getting a credit back. So you think that, "Oh, send me a sublet invoice." Anyone's doing that. People are starting mechanical garages, as I said at the start, and charging you for it as a sublet cost, and you're happy to pay that. It's embarrassing. So you won't see that from me, but you will see all my costs in Zone 99, all the things that we have to do to repair a car. This technology is a joke. This car's got stuff on it. I'm not even a car person. This car's got stuff in it I don't even understand. I've been in motor trade my whole life. I don't even know how to change half the stuff on this. And that's because the technology is a joke. It tells me when I'm going over a white line. So all I'm saying, guys, is technology is, and the price of parts. What body shop wants to spend £2.5 grand on a headlight? No one. No one at all. So if you're trying to get costs down, speak to the manufacturers. Ask them why £2,500 a headlight, not body shops. So yeah. And also another one today. I'm chasing an insurance company. The guy's been on hire for 11 days. We ain't even got an authority. He's in a hire cost for 11 days and you can't even get me an authority. Absolute joke. That's where your money's going. Speak to me if you want to save yourself millions through repair costs. Because trust me, it ain't the labour rate. Have a good evening, guys. Sorry it's a long video again.